I think we need to align ourselves with AMP 2016, which the Government of India had announced earlier. So, I think we are facilitating this in achieving the target the government has set up for us, both in terms of education, training, networking, design capabilities, bringing all the professionals together, global as well as India. So, I think this is a very good platform for the practitioners of mobility, the students, the educationists, and also the companies to come together and work together and take India to a greater heights. First thing that we are, the India as such is a part of the plan for the norms, the Bharat stage 3, stage 4, and then we are working on the stage 5. So, we have one Government of India guidelines are there, and they give us those norms as far as the environment is concerned. But beyond that, because that is there till 2015 and 16, but beyond that is the area where the countries have to look at the both in terms of the greening of the technologies, and so also the frugal engineering, because considering that we have a strong base of people, and considering that the earnings are not so good compared to what is happening globally, we have to really work on those, and many companies are working on those frugal engineering. In fact, many of companies are becoming benchmark globally, and they are working, coming together to really work on these platforms. So, this conference which we are organizing should put some insight, share the local perspective vis-a-vis the global perspective, and then it should take us forward. Yeah, actually, first of all, they need to really work hard, because most of the people, at least the last 2-3 years, they were more focused on the IT. And even when we hired people earlier, in fact, automobile was not a preferred place to really work on, and IT was a preferred. But then there was a downturn in IT, and then the youngsters, the professionals, they started looking at the automobile as such afresh, and they find that it is an area where probably is more sustainable than IT. So, I think the brightest should come to the automobile. I think that is one of the expectations. And what we believe is the 3G means 3G means you should go to the actual place, do actual thing, and see what is happening. And people should not be just sitting on the chairs and then trying to, because people think when they come out of college, they think, okay, they can design a car, and then they can design a product, and they are expert. But it doesn't happen normally in that life. They need to really go to the shop floor and see what are the actual facts, what does the customer want. They should go and meet the customer, and then design and make a product as per that. So, more of a 3G they should be more on the battlefield, where where either the vehicle is produced or where the customer is there. They should spend more time there. And third thing is their own basics people should improve, because I think fundamentally the basic fundamental the student tend to forget. They may know the very sophisticated stuff as such, but when you ask the fundamentals, then they forget about. So, they need to work on the fundamentals, and they should utilize technology to really upgrade, update, and shorten all the processes which are happening, whether it is a designing process or a manufacturing process or setting of facilities. So, they should really shorten, use the technology. The internet has become so popular. So, they should use all the technology which is available to them today to shorten all the things and bring the best available in the world to the country. Yeah, see, automobile industry, we feel that that we owe to the society. and we have to act in a very responsive and responsible way. Both the things we have to do. Considering that we are adding 2 million and this vehicles every year, and then 2 million is going to become 3 and 4 and 5. So there would be a lot of stress on the environment as such. So we have to really work both in terms of the environmental issue and also recycling of the product which we launch, because I think that is the area probably also we need to pay attention, that finally every product has to have a certain life cycle. How do we going to recycle that product, whether it's a battery, is a car or a seat. So all those things also we need to work. So both the directions we need to work and see that we really help the society, and then only the industry is sustainable. If we don't really look at the society as such, then I think all of us are going to lose job and it will not be sustainable. So we have to create a sustainable society for us and for the society per se and for the customer. I think skilled manpower is still we need to really long way to go, because as I explained to you earlier also that of course the kids are smarter, they are more IT savvy, they are more conversant with the internet, they are more globally connected, they see television, so the general awareness as such are very high. But the application of technology knowledge and the hard work, that I think also has to really be put in. The other trend which I have seen is that earlier we used to have maybe in families to have 3 children, 4 children, 5 children. The attention of the parents used to get scattered, but today you have 1 child or maximum 2 child. So the kids are so much pampered, the children are so much pampered from the starting from the birth till they go and graduate and take jobs. They are too much dependent and pampered on their parents. So I think they have to be really they need to act a little more responsibly in this area, and even the parents also have to really see that they become self-sufficient. Yeah, sustainable, because sustainability is a global issue, and if you take US, Europe, it went in there are lessons learned from those countries, and I think India rightly has adopted the lessons or the problems which the other countries had. So this sort of conferences really bring about the awareness what had happened earlier. So let us not fall prey to those problems, rather we should work in a proactive way, so that we are able to go in a long way, in a long term basis, and interdependent. The society and us are interdependent on each other. So the aim and the theme of this conference is to bring about the awareness among all our youngsters and practicing professionals, and also the society, that automobile industry as such is working together. They would take care of the environment, and what had happened in other places, we need to really take care of that. So it's a very timely theme and a timely conference to really happen. And of course, it is a continuous journey. It's not that this conference would be the end of it. It's a journey which we need to really continuously do. SA India has to continuously do, educate people, and what I expect is that people should really learn from the other people who are coming from India and abroad, and they should do the networking. They should share the knowledge. They should be able to really connect later on, even after the conference is over. Whenever there are any issues which are bugging them, they can always be in touch with them, and also with SA India. So I expect that people to really learn, students, the practicing mobility, the companies, they should learn new technologies. There are exhibitions which are being organized, so they should see what is the latest trend technologies, equipment, facilities which are happening. what is happening in the design stage. So I think it's a good platform to really people to really understand, learn, and go forward. Yes, you see, we are in fact, we are starting from the child itself, because a World in Motion program is for the young children. So we start with that, bring them about the awareness about the physics and about the through toys, jet toy, through that we are trying to do that. So we start with that. Then we have those Baha and Supra Baha competition, where the students they make their and design and then build vehicles, and then they run those vehicles. So Supra Baha is basically the off highway, and Baha is the Supra Baha is the on highway, means the normal vehicles, and the Supra and the Baha is the off highway vehicle. So that's the involvement both in terms of leadership, in terms of design, in terms of presentation skills, teamwork, all those things come into picture, and manufacturing capability, all those things come into play. And then we, after that, we go for the interviews, the best students selected. Then the other program which we have started is that we conduct a students education program at different places. Some of the companies also train students and also train teachers, and they are given a orientation program so that they can also understand how the industry is working. In fact, teachers have also to learn what is practically happening in the industry. So that is another platform which improves the capability of the student as such. And of course, these sort of opportunities which they get on the SAE Mobility Congress or APEC or other conferences which take place. So this way it really facilitates, help the students to really learn and improve their levels.